everyone, this is Leslie with Teach, and I'm going to show you a brief tutorial on how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a really handy tool. If you don't want to use Zoom, you can use Google Meet, and I'm going to show you how. So there are two ways you can make a Google Meet meeting or get into it. One is just through a Gmail account. So this is a fake Gmail account I set up. Gmail stands for Google Mail. So if you have a Gmail account, this is what the page will look like. And here, over here, new meeting, circles over here, new meeting is what you're going to be clicking on. So that's one way to do it, new meeting. The other way is to simply go to meet.google.com right there. And that way you can get into Google Meeting. This is the home page that you'll see. So let me go back to Gmail and show you that way. They're pretty much the same, but this might be more familiar since you might have a Gmail account. So I'm going to click New Meeting. That's how I'm going to get started. And you'll see here that this pops up with a unique code. And all you need to do is send the invite to your student. Just pops up. So you can go ahead and click Send Invite. And I do Share via email here. Click. And what will pop up is a new blank email you can send. Let's see how to expand on this here. And can I make this full screen for you? We'll see. Okay, so this is what you'll see. I will zoom in here so you can see it. It just automatically generates that you have invited them to Google Meet. Now this code here lasts for 365 days. So you can basically use this code over and over again with your student if you like. This just means it's your unique code you can use when you meet with them. So what I would do is I would send it to my student. I'm going to pretend I am my own student. And then I would also send it to myself because I want to make sure I keep that code handy. Oops, at Gmail. I'm too distracted. I'm typing too fast. There we go. I would send it to my student. I would send it to myself. And maybe my subject line is something like, here is the invite to our lesson on Tuesdays. And then your student can just keep that code, keep that link, and you can keep reusing it. So that looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and send my email. If I can get down here. Hi, there we go. Send. And off it goes. So let me close out of there and let me show you what happens when you accept that invite. So I just emailed myself and emailed my student. I'm going to wait for that email to come in. There it is. There's my invite. So this is what your student will see, that you invited them to a meeting. So let's say it's Tuesday at 10. It's time for our lesson. I'm going to go ahead and click that link to get ready to meet. And this is the page you'll see as the camera and audio are automatically turning on, as long as you have them on your computer. Camera is starting. I have a fake background there. I'm going to turn the camera off for a second so we don't get distracted. It says ready to join here, and your student will click ask to join. And then because you're the boss on your link, go here. I'm going to click the link as the person who made the meeting. Oh, it's being difficult. Hold on a second. I'm switching to my email here. There we go. As the person who made the meeting, what will happen is you'll see just this, join now. Hi, there I am again, turning my camera off. And you'll click join now. And once again, your student will see they're waiting for you here. And once you join in, you'll give permission. A little box will pop up and you'll give permission that they can join too. So pretty easy. Once again, if you're the one scheduling the meeting, all you have to do is click that link and hit join now. Pretty simple. And then here, of course, is your microphone. Let me actually open the meeting here so you can see. I have my camera off so you can't see me. But this would be the camera button and the mic button, which will automatically turn on. And a couple features here. You can right here present now. This is the way to share your screen. If you'd like to share your screen, if you're used to that in Zoom, this is how you would do it, share your screen. And then over here is the chat feature. Same thing like Zoom. I find this handy when I'm working with a student who's studying, citizenship questions. Sometimes they have to read. That's part of the exam. They have to read a sentence. And I will just type it right here instead of holding up a piece of paper. And I'll send it, and then the student can see it and read it out loud, practice saying that sentence. So once again, you don't have to use any of these features. If you just like it easy peasy, all you have to do is just press join now, and your camera and mic will automatically turn on. So same thing over here. If you go to meet.google.com, click new meeting, that thing pops up with the unique link and send it along to your student. And once again, you can reuse that link for an entire year. If it's just the two of you meeting, there is no time limit. If there's more than two people, Google has put a 60-minute, a 1 hour limit on meetings. But other than that, everything is free. So if you'd like help learning more tools or setting up a Gmail account, just let us know and we'd be happy to go over that with you. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye.